Obesity, overweight, makes many people lose confidence. Even this is also the cause of many diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, gout, fatty liver, and good health. We present you an effective, safe weight loss formula that protects your stomach. This drink is recommended by nutritionists and trusted by millions of women. Surely you also know because of obsession with appearance, many people have used drugs to lose weight and it's not good for stomach. Therefore, we recommend that you presently apply the way of drinking water with natural ingredients, very safe and effective. Firstly, you prepare a sweet tomatoes. Sweet tomatoes are very healthy food, not only good for digestive system, rich in vitamins, but also with many beneficial minerals such as curcumin, a golden food for burning and destroy fat. For that reason, chef Willis always needs this rule. Choose clean, non-spoiled sweet potato and cut small pieces. You put in a pot to boil with about half pot liter of water. Boil it for 5 to 7 minutes so the nutrients in the potato dissolve into the water. Pour out and take it water. Sweet potatoes broth will retain its nutrients. You only need to use this water as your take drink without having to eat raw potatoes. Because if you eat sweet tomato the way wrong, you can add more carbohydrate to your body. You can pour boiled sweet tomato juice into a cup. Sweet potato will help the body slim from in a short time, ensuring effective weight loss. Apply the following sweet potatoes way of eating. You will lose weight quickly. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric stock is a very healthy product, including curcumin. Its essence helps regulate stomach cells. So when you drink this water, you not only lose weight but also support the treatment of stomach disease very well. In addition, curcumin helps to disappear fat cells in the blood, makes skin beautiful, natural form. So when drink turmeric stock, the HCl fat will be regulated itself out, helping the body from. It also stimulates skin cells to develop, so your skin will look rosy and healthier. Note that only teaspoon of turmeric is very small to drink from being bitter. Then stir the solution well to achieve the effect of weight loss while still full of nutrients. You need to add 1 teaspoon. Honey is a complete natural food, very beneficial for weight loss and provides fat-free nutrients. Amino acid in honey help to stimulate fat conversion into energy, combined with acid in lemons to promote digestion, thereby preventing the formation of excess fat, so excess fat will be removed quickly. In addition, honey is also good for the stomach. It helps the regulating gastric juice, so your stomach is also healthier. A cup of water with the combination of their 3 natural ingredients will help you lose 2 or 3 kilograms per week, and presently you can lose about 10 kilograms per month. You should use it in the morning about 20 minutes before eating because it's very safe. You can use it for your family. Be persistent to have a good appearance. experience a healthy body and a good night's sleep. Please comment for us to answer your questions, or if this method works, please share with everyone. Don't forget to follow Golden Health channel for useful information about health. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.